Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to prepare tomato egg sauce. Start by gathering your ingredients. You'll need about 3 to 4 medium, ripe tomatoes, 3 to 4 large eggs, 1 small onion, and 2 cloves of garlic. Don't forget your seasonings: a pinch of salt, a teaspoon of sugar, and a splash of soy sauce. These simple components are the foundation for a truly delicious and comforting dish that's quick to prepare. First, prepare your tomatoes. Score the bottoms, then blanch them in boiling water for about 30 seconds to easily remove the skins. Dice them into small, even pieces. Next, whisk 3 to 4 large eggs with a pinch of salt. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in your pan, then scramble the eggs until they are about 70% cooked. Remove them from the pan and set aside for later. Now let's build the flavor base. In the same pan, add 1 tablespoon of oil and sauté your diced onion and minced garlic until fragrant, which takes about 1 minute. Then, add your diced tomatoes. Cook them down for 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally until they soften and release their juices. Stir in 1 teaspoon of sugar and 1/2 teaspoon of salt to enhance the natural sweetness and acidity. Finally, it's time to bring everything together. Gently fold the scrambled eggs back into the rich tomato sauce. Cook for just 1 to 2 minutes more, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. Finish with a dash of soy sauce for an extra layer of umami and a generous sprinkle of fresh green onions. Serve this comforting dish immediately over fluffy steamed rice or your favorite noodles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.